Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C75 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So all we have to do is to enter the settings and here scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security and privacy settings and then go to the installation sources. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Simply find the app and tap on the switch on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Tap on allowed, and from now on the Chrome in my case is allowed to install something. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switch again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.